Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, so I got my ears pierced. You would have seen that. If you haven't, I will link it in the description down below. I did a story time on how I got my ears pierced experience, and when I was 3 or 2.5, what happened. It's that bad story. So today I'm going to be doing a wish list for you. So this is for maybe parents that don't really know what to get their kids that are 10 to 12, or if you're grandparents, or a friend, but mostly friends know what to get them. Yeah. So this is also what I would like to receive personally. Now, like I said, I just got my ears pierced, so obviously the first thing on my wish list is some earrings. Or if they don't have ears pierced, you could also get them clip-ons, maybe if they like it. I'll also be recommending some places for you. So for the earrings, just saying that I think there's a place called Louisa, and I absolutely love their earrings, so I absolutely would like to get it done from there. The second thing is inflatables. So we just got our pool. Now for the inflatables, Sunny Life have really good inflatables. This is not sponsored by anyone in this video. I'm just saying where I've seen really nice things that I really like, because Sunny Life, they've got like flamingos, and I really want a flamingo. So yeah, please get me a flamingo. So my parents are also probably watching this and being like, oh okay, we could just do that for our wish list. My wish list. So the third one, I want to get from a shop. I can't exactly remember the shop, but they did a strawberry cream semi-permanent. So I got my hair semi-permanent, and I went in the pool, and my dad's like, since he was a hairdresser, he's like, oh no, it will never wash out. Like until 6 weeks, obviously it will wash out. But instead I found that my hair is bleached blonde. So it was like a chemical that's gone into my hair, and now it's blonder. I absolutely love the blonder bits. But yeah, the semi-permanent pink, I was going to actually do a video about how, like a story time about my hair and how I got it colored. This is a photo of me here, of what it had looked like. And then I went to a swim yesterday, and it just washed out. It was really annoying. So yeah, we paid $70 for nothing. So anyways, that, it's like to do it by myself. I would really like that. The fourth thing is some cozies. So it is summer, and like I'm like boiling right now, and I'm not allowed to swim since I have to wait until my ears, like after a few days. So yeah. I would like some new cozies. Now there are really nice cozies out there. So yeah, because it's really hot, and I only have like one pair. Well, I have one pair of two pair of bikinis, and one of them is like really small for me now. And I've got like, I haven't been like using since I quit swimming. Too hardcore for me. I haven't really bought any more swimmers, because it's been like, when I quit, it was autumn going into winter, and then spring hasn't been that warm, so I haven't really need any more. I just wear my bikini. So yeah, I think you can just get those like from Target, Kmart, but also like beachwear shops. I've seen really nice ones, so yeah. The fifth thing is if they are into dancing, gymnastics, or after sport activities. I absolutely love dance, and I've started doing dancing, so I want more dance gear. So that is one thing that I would really like, or gym gear if you do gym, or maybe if you do sport, you could get them shoes for that, or a skirt if they do netball, a netball skirt. The sixth thing is I want some more makeup. So I don't have a lot of blush, so I bought this big this big set for $30 at Target or Kmart, and it like had everything. I had foundation, powdered foundation, like creme lipstick, or for anything on your face, like blush, but you can't really tell which is blush because they didn't label which one is which. Some eyeshadow and some lipstick liner. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you liked it. And this was really fun doing this, because I just love sharing everyone if they need help with anything for Christmas, and Christmas is coming up, and I love Christmas. So yeah, Christmas elves, peace out. Not feeling it. Bye guys.